Hey, and welcome to SMS Alert. Today we are going to cover how to install and configure SMS Alert plugin in WHMCS. To download our plugin, navigate to WHMCS Marketplace and search for SMS Alert. Click on Get It Now to download the add-on. Extract the downloaded zip file and upload SMS Alert folder to modules/add-ons. Next, navigate to System Settings and then click on Add-on Modules. Scroll down to SMS Alert module and click on Install button against it. Then after click on Configure button and allow full administrator access to SMS Alert module. Navigate to SMS Alert under Add-ons and enter your SMS Alert username and password. Please sign up for a demo account in case you do not have an account on SMS Alert. Next, click on Verify and Continue. Select the desired sender ID. Click on Save Changes button. Navigate to Client Templates. Here you will find different events for which SMS can be sent. You can enable or disable SMS on particular event by clicking on the checkbox against the event name. You can also customize the SMS text corresponding to each event and can even personalize it with the help of variable parameters that are listed just above each message text. Please ensure to click on Save Changes button at the bottom after you are done with the changes. Navigate to Admin Templates tab and here you can configure the SMS text and admin number corresponding to different events. You can enable or disable SMS on particular event by clicking on the checkbox against the event name. You can also customize the SMS text corresponding to each event and can even personalize it with the help of variable parameters that are listed just above each message text. Also, you can add multiple admin numbers separated by comma for admin notifications. You can also enable to verify users' mobile number when they register or in case they update their number in their profile section. This is a one-time verification for each user to prevent fake accounts. To enable this, navigate to Client Templates and scroll down to Clients Area, Register Client Area Configuration. Ensure to enable this and modify the text as required. Also ensure you have this OTP tag in your SMS text, as this tag will be replaced with the actual OTP code. Finally, click on Save Changes button. Navigate to Send SMS tab and select one or multiple clients to whom you want to send SMS. Enter the message text and personalize it with first name and last name if required. Click on Send button to send the message. You can also check reports of all messages sent from the Reports tab. We hope this video was helpful to you. See you soon with more such informative videos in future. Thank you.